I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV's available outputs so you know the only path. If the TV has Bluetooth, enable its pairing mode in settings. If it only has optical, plan an adapter. Next, put your Bose Soundlink into Bluetooth pairing by pressing and holding the power button until the LED blinks blue. While doing this, make sure other phones or speakers are off to prevent accidental connections. Once the speaker blinks, proceed to the TV immediately to finish the link. You now control the TV. Go to Bluetooth audio or external speaker settings and start a scan. When you see Bose Soundlink appear, select it and confirm pairing on the TV. Some models show a pop-up you must accept. If the TV lacks Bluetooth and uses optical, plug the optical to Bluetooth transmitter into the TV's optical out, power the adapter, then pair the adapter to the Soundlink instead. Make sure volume on both devices is moderate. Then test audio to verify the connection. You finish by selecting the TV audio output to Bluetooth or external speaker so sound routes to the Soundlink. Once paired, play a short clip and adjust levels. If there's lag, lower TV audio processing or enable game mode. If you hear no audio, unpair and repair. Turn Bluetooth off, restart both devices, then repeat pairing. As a last resort, reset the Bose Soundlink following its reset procedure and try again. This clears stubborn profiles and often resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.